Hey guys, Model Man Frank here. Let's give you an update on this T6 from House of Balsa. Found the plans. Again, just a little background. This is a kit that I got for free that was all in pieces. Just the fuselage and the wing was done. And it came with a canopy. Canopy's back there, has to be polished up. And the ailerons had to be cut in place. So the ailerons are all set to go. Okay, everything's hinged already. Tail's in place. I just have to still do a little bit of sanding right there on that corner. Wings are on. I've bent up a landing gear for it. I'm still putting another one together. Got to put a tail wheel on and then do some covering. Now this one here, I'm most likely going to do like a painted silver color to it. I think that will be really nice. It's like a brushed silver, so it will have a brushed silver. Now one thing I've noticed, I don't think that this is the cowling for this aircraft, because it just doesn't fit it. I think this cowling is for something else. And if you're looking at that cowling back there, that's not the cowling for it. That cowling is for a Corsair. I don't know what this cowling came from, so I am going to use this cowling. So I'll put it like that. Maybe I'll trim it down a little bit. I really don't know what I'll do. But yeah, that's the cowling for it for sure. It will have... will not have retractable landing gear, so it will always fly with the landing gear down. I'm most likely going to do this up in Cuban colors. That the Cubans did have them. They had them with machine guns in the wing and rockets below, or machine gun pods also on the bottom. So it was really just a machine gun aircraft. But yeah, I'm thinking of doing it in Cuban colors. Most likely their aircraft came in silver. If you look online, there's one painted yellow. That was a trainer style aircraft. It wasn't specifically. My father says that they did have them with guns. So this one also will be with won't have guns, real guns, but it'll have sticks out here to represent the guns. So yeah, that's what's going on. Here's the tail. It has rudder control, elevator control. I have to do all the wiring and everything like that. I put in a hard base for the screw. The wing, I already stuck it on. It just makes it a whole lot easier to work with because it's such a small aircraft. So, but yeah, it's a House of Balsa kit. I wish that the guy who had done this kit up had put in drawings for the wings, but he didn't. So if I wanted to rebuild this kit or pass this kit on to somebody else, I don't know how it would be done. So other than that, that's how it goes. All right guys, that's it for now. Catch you on the next video. Model Man Frank out.